Hello brothers and sister. Good morning to you. How are you? Feeling good? I just wanna remind by na our state, our emotions goes up and down, but importante talaga na nasa highest frequency tayo, and yung highest frequency is love, excitement, passion. So always be there by, and I always try myself to be strong and to do what excites me, yung maka lighten up sa aking energy. So this is my ritual. Sometimes walking in the morning to keep myself momentum with my energy. Zeus! And si Zeus, oh, bilis na recall pa rin namin, perfect.